There's nothing quite like the taste of a sun-warmed strawberry, freshly picked from your own garden. Growing strawberries is a rewarding experience, and it's easier than you might think. Whether you have a large garden or a small patio, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor with a little planning and care. In this essay, we'll explore the best time to plant strawberries, taking into account the different types of strawberries and the climate in your region. Strawberries are not only delicious but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Imagine stepping outside and plucking these juicy gems right off the plant, their sweet aroma filling the air. Let's get started on your strawberry growing adventure. When it comes to growing strawberries, the first step is choosing the right variety. There are three main types of strawberries: June-bearing, Everbearing, and day-neutral. Each type has its own unique characteristics and fruiting habits. June-bearing strawberries are the most common type. As their name suggests, they produce one large crop of berries over a period of 2 to 3 weeks in June. Some popular June-bearing varieties include Chandler, Early Glow, and All-Star. Everbearing strawberries produce two smaller crops of berries, one in early summer and another in late summer or early fall. Ozark Beauty and Fort Laramie are two well-known everbearing varieties. Day-neutral strawberries produce berries continuously throughout the growing season, from late spring to fall. Tristar and Seascape are popular day-neutral varieties. The best time to plant strawberries depends on your climate and the type of strawberry you're growing. In general, strawberries are best planted in early spring or late summer to early fall. Planting in early spring allows the plants to establish themselves before the heat of summer. Planting in late summer or early fall gives the plants a head start on the following spring's growing season. If you live in a region with mild winters, you can plant strawberries in the fall and enjoy a harvest the following spring. However, if you live in an area with harsh winters, it's best to plant strawberries in the spring after the last frost has passed. This will give the plants time to develop a strong root system before the ground freezes. Section 4. Climate considerations, matching strawberries to your region. Climate plays a crucial role in the success of your strawberry patch. Before you plant, it's essential to determine your USDA hardiness zone. The USDA hardiness zone map divides North America into 13 zones based on average minimum winter temperatures. Each zone represents a 10-degree Fahrenheit difference. Strawberries are generally hardy in USDA hardiness zones 3 through 10. However, some varieties are more cold hardy than others. When selecting strawberry plants, be sure to choose varieties that are well suited to your specific climate. For example, if you live in a cold climate, you'll want to choose cold hardy varieties like honeysuckle or Northland. In addition to winter hardiness, you'll also need to consider the length of your growing season. Strawberries need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day to thrive. If you live in an area with a short growing season, you'll want to choose varieties that mature early, such as Early Glow or Annapolis. By carefully considering your climate and choosing the right strawberry varieties, you can increase your chances of a bountiful harvest. Section 5. Preparing for success. Soil, site, and planting tips. Once you've chosen your strawberry varieties, it's time to prepare the soil and planting site. Strawberries prefer well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. Before planting, amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to improve drainage and fertility. Strawberries also prefer a slightly acidic soil pH between 6.0 and 6.8. You can test your soil pH using a home testing kit and amend it accordingly. Choose a planting site that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Strawberries will also benefit from some afternoon shade, especially in hot climates. When planting, dig a hole that is slightly larger than the root ball of the strawberry plant. Gently loosen the roots and spread them out in the hole. Plant the strawberry crown where the roots meet the leaves at soil level. Water the plants thoroughly after planting and mulch around them with straw, pine needles, or shredded bark to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Section 6. Reaping the rewards, your first harvest and beyond. With proper care and attention, your strawberry plants will reward you with a delicious harvest. June-bearing strawberries will typically produce fruit in their second year after planting. Everbearing and day-neutral strawberries may produce a small crop in their first year, but they will produce more abundantly in their second year. To ensure a continuous harvest, pick the strawberries regularly as they ripen. Ripe strawberries will be fully red and slightly soft to the touch. After the first harvest, remove any old leaves or runners from the plants to encourage new growth. With a little effort, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown strawberries for years to come.